We may have just exposed the big secret when it comes to US banks and Bitcoin. They're doing things and they're not telling us what's going on. We're going to break it all down for you in this video. But to summarize in a few words, the banks are buying Bitcoin and they're buying it big. We're going to break it all down in this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying this type of content. Let's get into it. So welcome back, everybody. As always, do me a favor and make sure you're smashing that notification bell so you're updated with our latest content as well as our latest review videos. So let's take a look at what's going on in the background. We've been talking about the Chinese coming into the cryptocurrency market. The Russians are now coming in September. And, well, the Fed debt is suddenly getting pretty interesting. And actually what's going on is we're seeing the US banks buying Bitcoin ETFs, and simply not telling us about it. Here we go with the Fed debt is increasing. The price of Bitcoin is decreasing. A surprise when we then see on the back of that a significant amount of Bitcoin being bought by some of the biggest banks in the space. Only Goldman Sachs buying over $418 million, as well as Goldman Sachs' investment in those ETFs, ARK 21 shares, Invesco, Galaxy, and Bitwise all across the board. 238 million just across those few. Morgan Stanley being another one, buying $270 million worth of Bitcoin ETFs. Very interesting. And the list goes on and on. They are absolutely stacking their bags. But it isn't just them that's buying Bitcoin. They're buying much more as well. In fact, XRP is on the shopping list for many of these banks as well. Just before we go a little bit further, just want to shout out to Prime XBT. This is an exchange that I've partnered up with to offer you a fantastic platform to come and trade all your favorite cryptocurrencies or enjoy the spot market as well. You can sign up using the link in the description to get some fantastic bonuses just by signing up and trading it. Deposit $300 and start to get that benefit. You can claim up to a bonus of $500 just by signing up in the link below. Now they've got leverage trading and all of your top favorite cryptocurrencies all at the click of the button. With no KYC, this is an absolute platform for you. They offer affiliates, they offer many copy trading utilities, and much, much more. And what's even better is you have the trading view indicators that you can use right here in the platform. So you never need to go anywhere else other than to trade your cryptocurrency on Prime XBT. If you're interested in that, do check out the link in the description. Get on over there and sign up and see what the platform is like for yourself. So let's dive back into what we were talking about, particularly around the banking sector. And we are expecting more and more coming to the space. In fact, we see the Japanese banks looking to embrace XRP by 2025. In fact, we're seeing key altcoins likely to skyrocket on the back of this news. And in fact, we're expecting them to see them holding significant number of altcoins, but it isn't just the Japanese banks. In fact, Ghana's central bank is drafting up guidelines for crypto service providers as well. So cryptocurrency is now entering the mainstream. The banking sector is absolutely getting involved, and the US banking sector is at the absolute heart of it all. They are putting Bitcoin on the balance sheet. They are buying significant volume of Bitcoin ETFs as they know fundamentally what is coming down the line. If you're not in, you're simply going to miss out. You only have to take a look on the global stage to exactly understand what's coming. Just for example, Dubai caught legalizing cryptocurrency for salaries. Russia and China eyeing up BTC to bypass the US dollar. And again, this is a hedge against that bet. Now we look forward to September, the Fed rate cuts, Russia coming into the market, and an election. Well, the banks are absolutely getting involved. And it won't be long until you can buy cryptocurrency from your bank. Now, we saw some heavy restrictions, certainly here in the UK. There was a number of banks that simply won't entertain the idea. And everyone knows what happened with Citibank, Silvergate, and many more as it collapsed. But it's about to change. And there is a ton of opportunities with banking people. What do I mean by that? Revolt, Bitwala, as well as many others offering the N26 ability to buy using debit and credit cards to get into it. So they simply put, the banks don't want to miss out. In fact, they can't afford to miss out. So we're going to see more and more banks over the coming weeks. We're going to see more and more financial institutions over the coming weeks talking about ETFs and talking about Bitcoin. You only have to look at the price of the chart, and we're setting setting up for, in my opinion, a very big move. We've been tracking this chart now for the longest time, and it is following a very simple pattern. A breakup of the 200 exponential moving average, which we are trying to do right now, could see us come and retest at the point in which we see the September rate cuts coming in at around 68,000, setting us up for a $100,000 push by the end of the year. And lots of things are trending in the right direction. You can take a look at some of the ETFs, albeit down on the day, had a big push yesterday of over 4.5%. But keep your eyes on everything else. S&P 500 is flying. When that comes down, this is where we'll see some money flow into the markets. This is where we'll start to see the Bitcoin push. And in my opinion, this is when we're going to see this huge breakout coming for crypto. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and look out and see what the banks are doing. We'll, as always, keep you updated with everything going on in this market. All you got to do, turn your notification bell on. And don't forget, check out the link for Prime XBT down in the link in the description if you're interested in trading cryptocurrency. As ever, thank you so much for all the support on the videos recently. Don't forget, smash that like button. Let's get it to a couple of hundred likes. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.